everyone. So for today's video, guys, we will going to explore and show you all the beautiful park right here nearby to our place, and what are the activities that... Hi! Say hi, baby! What are you doing? Where are you going? What's next to you? Your car. Are you ready to drive? Yeah! Yay! So today's video, guys, like what I said, we were gonna go to the park and then let's do some activities over there. What they have, and good for the kids. They have seesaw, rock climbing, monkey bars, different slide, and then where's the camera? Right there. And then we will gonna and then also there's a nature path right there that you can do your exercise. And the good things about it is you don't have to pay anything, so it's free, and at the same time you had fun and have bonding with your family. So come and join us, because my husband's gonna take his walk, his exercise over there. It's kinda drizzling. It's raining outside. It's not totally raining, it's drizzling. So because of the low temperature coming on our way, front moving, that's the reason why. So come and join us, guys, and I'll show you what they have. Did you say it's not really nice? But that's the one you want, remember? The yucky one? Why it's yucky one? Yeah. Okay, that's a yucky one. If you say... Sing with me.
No, turn over.
Hi, baby.
Hi.
Hi. So, what did I bring? Actually, I brought the umbrella. As you can see, they are two, but I lost the other one. I don't know where did I put it. Hi, guys. You ready, baby? And I bought some apples. This is an opal apple that I got it from Walmart, and it's really good, guys. And it's sweet. And of course, I brought 3 bottled water from Walmart. So, of course, my husband's towel whenever he's wet walking. So hopefully it's not gonna rain too much, because we didn't expect this, that it's gonna be rainy like this. So let's see, guys. See you later.
See you guys.
See you later. Blow a kiss, baby. The to Regedy Point is right there. Then you're gonna make a right here in Fleming Island. And as you can see, guys, there's a lot of trees.
Yes.
A lot of trees out here.
Yes.
And
The people, the towns.
and then, oh, there's no one in here. And then the name of this is Moccasin Slough.
No, it's boy.
Moccasin Slough Park.
No,
Oh, we're not gonna take it off the thing, my love.
Left, right. Okay? Which way is your right? Your right. No, right. Left. Okay? Come on.
There is also what do you call that? What do you call that, honey? The toilet?
Yeah.
What do you call that?
Porta potty.
There's a quarter potty right there if you need to pee pee. And then that's where the park is. And right now we will gonna go to nature path. Okay. Go. So today's guys, we will going to walk. Going there is a little bit drizzling. Oh my gosh. But it's really nice, guys. Go, go, baby. Yeah, go, go now. Go, baby. Okay, go straight. Go ahead. Go ahead, baby. Hurry up. It's raining. Hurry up, baby. Baby, you pay attention. Baby, are you gonna drive or do you wanna put it right there now? Come on, hurry up. They are also... Stop, baby, stop. Baby, stop. Stop. There are also some stuff right here. It says right there, coyote in Florida, voluntary needed. Those people who wanna... And then pet waste, spread diseases, ayan. So everything is in there. And what is this? Oh, they also have a wild butterflies right there. Sometimes I see like yellow butterflies. It shows right there. Come on, baby. What are you doing? Let's go. Well, come on. Hurry up. And if you want to do some... Go straight. And if you want to do some picnic, you can do picnics right there. Right there. But I don't think that they can do camping right here. Just only picnic. You can park your bicycle right there, right there. Hurry up, Daddy's there now. And what else? What else do they have right here? They also have exercising bar right here. Benefits and tips. Hurry up, baby, because Daddy's there now. Right there, you can do some exercise right here. See?
No.
And then... Hurry up, baby. Don't stop. Just go. Just go. Still, pay attention. And if you're tired of walking, they also have a bench right here. If you're tired. You're going to the thing, to the dirt. Come on.
I'm doing this.
Sil, your father is there now. It takes you forever. It's gonna rain so hard. And they are also has another one right here, the lower body warm up. You can use that, the equipment right here, for osteoporosis. I think this is for the back. Still, there's a coyote right here. Hurry up. And they have a garbage right here, of course. No littering. And they have another bench right there. It's nice. Ay, there's a coyote there. There's a dog right there. Hurry up. Hey, stop. Don't keep on stopping. It's really nice right here. But the only thing they don't have it here is the fountain. So I guess you have to bring your own bottle of water. Yeah. You have to bring your own bottle of water. Look at Daddy. Daddy's not there now. And they also have a Tai Chi right here. You can use that to stand. And it's nice right here today because there's no people. But the thing is, it's drizzling. But usually there's a lot of people coming in here. They come in here as in almost every day because of this beautiful nature walking nature path right here. It's so peaceful, as you can see, guys. It's nice. There's another what do you call that, light trail right here. Wait, where's your father? Your father walks so fast. This is for posture. I don't know how to use it. I have. Oh, that's how you use it. Where's your father? Daddy walks so fast. Drive, drive. Go straight, baby. Make a right. Make a right. Go straight. Make a right. Right. Right a little bit. Right. Right. Right, baby. You're gonna go to the dirt? You silly. Go. Go now, it's raining. Ay, ay, ay. Hurry up, it's raining. Ay, ay, look at my video. Look at the way I took. Come on. Hurry up. They have a standing push-up right here for stress and pain. Where's your father? He walks so fast like that?
Yeah.
What? Hurry up, baby. It's raining now. I'm gonna leave you right here.
My car is dirty now.
Eh, because you wanna drive. My phone is wet. Look at that. Seal!
No, no.
So there you have it, guys. We are done driving her car now. You have to cover your head, maybe. But we make sure that we already took a shower, and then there you have it, guys. This park is Moccasin Slough Park. Ayan, funding and acquisition of this site was provided by Florida Communities Trust, issuing Florida Forever Funds, North Florida Land Trust. Ayan, this is in Florida. So they have benches right there. You can do some picnics. And they also have a grill right there, and then a club. That's not a clubhouse. Yeah, we can go this way, my love. Oh, you do wanna go this side? There is one benches there, and there's another one right there, and then there's another one up there, right there. There's two, and then there's three right there. Now we will going to watch out. There's a lot of poopy. So what they have right here. Let's go, baby.
Where?
Say hi.
Where?
Say hi.
Where?
Hi. Come on, let's go. They have swings for babies and for adults if you want. And what are the activities that they have right here? They also have carousel right there, seesaw right there. And let's see where we're going. Where are you going, baby? There's a 4 slides right here. 1, 2, right there. 3, and this one. So I wish this one is not wet. Oh my gosh, it's wet, baby. I guess we cannot slide inside. This one is wet. We're gonna get wet. Okay.
No, Daddy needs out for this out.
Yeah, this one is wet, baby. Oh, we cannot slide. See? Look at the water. Look, come here, come here. Look at the water. You see the water?
Yeah,
We're gonna get wet. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. No, 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 no. Huh?
Needs out. Get out.
Do you wanna go to daddy?
No, needs out.
Oh, need towel?
Yeah.
No, that towel's gonna get wet. That's for his face. Oh, they have I don't know what you call this. And then they also have a rock climbing right there, and a monkey bars. And this one, I don't know the step. I don't know how you call this one. They have a ladder right here. What else? They have a ladder. They have another stair going there. And then this one. This is cool. Can you do this, baby?
Yeah.
Do it, baby. Ooh, wow. I think that's for big kids, baby. The small one. There's a small one right there. Come here. Where is that? Where is that? Right here, right here, right here. This one. I guess you can do that.
Okay.
Okay, come on. Can do it. Just hold on tight. Go ahead, baby. Go ahead. You can do it.
Now help me.
Okay, I'll help you. How about this one, baby? Can you do this one? Can you do this one? There was 2 years old yesterday. 2 years old baby that who can climb up. Can you climb up right here?
Yeah.
He climbed up. She climbed up right there, and she was really good. No, you climb up right there on the inside. There. Okay. Be careful, okay? Oh, easy. Go ahead. Lift your body. Come on. She don't know how to climb up yet. Come on. Climb. Come on, climb. Climb like a monkey. Yeah. Go. Push yourself. Push yourself. You can do it. Push yourself, baby. Push yourself. Ay, come on now. You can do it. Come on. Yeah. Push yourself. Come on. You can do it. Uy, you can do it, baby. No, 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 no. Stand, stand. You have to stand like that. And then... Okay, I think that's it. You don't know how to climb yet.
Where is?
Okay.
How about I climb this?
Okay, how about here? You can climb here?
Yeah?
Okay, go ahead. Wait a minute. Okay, where you gonna climb?
I can hear.
No, how about here? Right here, right here. This one is easy. Okay.
No, this is easy.
No, that's hard, baby, for you. This one is moving. This one is easy for you.
No. Oh, no, this.
Yeah, you can do it. You can go this way. Where? Right here.
I can't.
You can climb up
No,
there.
No, I put here. I can't see myself.
No, you can climb. I'm sleepy. You can climb up there, baby. You can do it. Yeah. Push yourself. There you go. Hold your thing. Hold your hands right here. There you go. Uy, uy, uy. You can do it. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. That's the way you learn. Oh, okay. Okay. There you go. Don't. Uy.
No.
You can do it. One more try.
No.
You can try it. Come on.
No.
Come on.
No. How about I take this from someone?
They also have a monkey bar right here.
How many?
Oh, that's too high, baby. That's for big kids. We cannot do that.
Oh, shut open.
Where's your father?
Different.
Where's your father? Come here. Oh, where's your father now? Did he go there now? Oh, right there. Okay, come on. I really want to show you everything, guys, because I want to slide right here. But the thing is, it's raining and this one is really wet. We don't want to get wet. So we're going to go home now, guys. And my husband is sitting down right there. As you can see. He is right there. He's waiting for us. Oh, you gotta be careful, baby. You can do it? Okay. Oh, you say see you later. See you later. Smile. Smile.
Wait, Sylvia.
Smile. Sylvie. Smile.
Wait.
No, I'm
Wait. Daddy. 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 Hi. Your hair's getting wet. Come here, hurry up. Come to Daddy. Wait, come here. My hand. Hurry up, you're getting wet. Your hair. No, don't sit. It's all wet. Sit on my lap. It's all wet. Sit on my lap.
Smile.
Look, look. Okay, look, look,
Smile, baby.
look.
Smile, Han. They also have uy, this one is nice. Moccasin Slough Park, developed by Clay County Board, County Commission, with financial assistance provided by the Land and Water Conservation Plans through the U.S. Ooh,
They have a barbecue area.
they have a barbecue area.
And two tables right
If you wanna grill some stuff right there, you can use that.
there. Two tables right there.
And 2 tables right there. It's really nice. You can do something. You can do picnics. Baby want to play. What are you doing? Hurry up. Hurry up, baby. Hurry up. Hurry up, baby. Wow, baby. Wow. Wow. There you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching our video. What are you eating, little silly? What is that? Thank you so much, guys, for watching our video. Please don't forget to subscribe. This is the camera I'm looking. So come in and join us again, guys, while we are exploring simple and amazing park here in Florida that you don't have to you don't have to spend a lot of money just to have fun together. We really want to spend more time, but it's raining. So we might probably go to a different park after this on the next video, what I mean, to show you what are the things that they can offer. And then there are some parks that they do campings. Come in and join us to explore that beautiful places here, and see you again, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell so you're always updated to our new latest video. Be careful. Make sure you chew it, okay?
You cover your mouth?
Her car is really wet. So see you later, guys, and have a wonderful and blessed day to everyone. Bye-bye, friendship. Bye-bye.